In this tutorial, we will share the essential keys to creating assistants using our artificial intelligence. The first step is to name the assistant. This step is very important as the name you choose will help your agents identify it more easily when needed. For our case, I will name it as follows: frequently asked questions. The second step is to feed the assistant with the knowledge you consider necessary in any of the defined formats. It is very important that the uploaded files are very detailed and ensure that they contain all the necessary information. It is also crucial to consider that the documents are in the public domain. In this example, I will use one file in TXT format, but you can choose to upload files in any of the available formats. Now, it is time to define the instructions regarding what the assistant does. You will notice that to do this step by step, we will have to answer 5 questions. However, it is important that these questions are not answered with single words, but we must be extremely detailed. Imagine this assistant is like a new employee, and you must train them completely to understand your company's culture and teach them the best way to do things. First, let's define the assistant's objective. I will do it as follows. Your role is to be a helpful and human agent with the specific goal of helping to resolve all the doubts our clients may have. Perfect. For the next step, we must be very clear in defining what product or company the assistant represents, so it focuses solely on the needs of users or clients related to that product. In this example, let's assume we are a chain of spa services for women in Mexico, so I will write the following. You are a representative of our relaxing massage service. Next, we need to define how the assistant should respond based on how our clients prefer to be addressed. In our case, we know that our clients prefer to be spoken to in a friendly, casual, but very empathetic tone. So we will write the following. Always respond in a friendly, casual tone, but above all, you must be very empathetic. For the maximum number of characters, we must consider how detailed or concise the information we need to provide to our users or clients should be. However, keep in mind that WhatsApp is a channel where people usually like to communicate very concisely, and as I mentioned earlier, it is important not to respond with single words. It would be a mistake to write something like 100. Instead, it would be better to write something like this. For very specific questions, respond with a maximum of 100 characters. For questions that require a lot of details, you can respond with a maximum of 500 characters. We have almost finished defining the instructions for our assistant. However, our users or clients might ask questions that the assistant has no knowledge of. For these cases where it cannot find an answer, we will define how it should behave or what it should do. In our case, I will give the following instruction. When you are unsure of what to answer, ask the user to confirm which service they are referring to. If the answer is not the relaxing massage service, share the following link www.spa/guide.com and refer the user to that site, telling them they can find more information there. Additionally, offer to transfer the conversation to another specialized agent for that service to attend to them and resolve their doubts. We have it. Our assistant has the necessary instructions to effectively serve our clients. Now we just need to assign our assistant to the teams that will use it. Once selected, I will write a brief description of what this assistant does, so it will be easier for our agents to know which assistant to select as needed. Then I will write the following. This assistant resolves the most frequently asked questions related to our relaxing massage service. With this, we have all the information the assistant needs to help our agent, so we will create it, and that's it. Now you can create all the assistants you need to give your operation a boost.